In today's video, you will learn how to change background in Adobe Photoshop 2024 in a quick and simple way using built-in tools that make the process much easier even for beginners. To begin, start by unlocking your image layer. You can do this by clicking the small lock icon beside the layer. Once unlocked, the image becomes fully editable and ready for background removal. This is an important first step because Photoshop keeps locked layers protected by default, and unlocking it gives you full control over the image. Next, move over to the toolbar and choose the Object Selection tool. This tool is extremely useful because it automatically detects the main subject inside your image, helping Photoshop separate it from the background with very little effort. After selecting the tool, look for the contextual taskbar that appears on the screen. From there, simply click on Remove Background. As soon as you click it, Photoshop will automatically analyze the image and remove the existing background around your subject. In most cases, the result looks surprisingly clean and professional within just a few seconds. If the contextual taskbar is not visible on your screen, don't worry. You can quickly enable it by going to the Window menu and selecting Contextual Taskbar. Once it appears, you'll have access to the same quick background removal option. After the original background has been removed, it's time to add your new background image. Locate the image you want to use and drag it directly into Photoshop. This creates a new layer containing the replacement background. To make everything look correct, ensure the background layer is placed underneath your subject layer in the Layers panel. This positioning is important because it allows your subject to appear naturally in front of the new background instead of being hidden behind it. If the background image needs adjustments, go to the Edit menu and choose Free Transform. This lets you resize and reposition the background so it fits perfectly within the frame. You can adjust the width, height, and overall placement until the composition looks balanced and realistic. And that's all it takes to change a background in Photoshop 2024. With just a few simple tools and quick adjustments, you can completely transform the look of your image in minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Photoshop tutorials.